You coming for me, India? Two people marriage, okay? Oh my god. Hey baby, I'm single man, okay? Come India. Do you like Canadian guys? Yes, actually before I like to marry a Canadian. Are you having a blue eyes? I like blue eyes, really. Samoras, hello. Refine. Please don't forget to double tap. Oh, thank you. Guys, please give me like on my live. Just, just lang, just in case. Oh my gosh. Steam short. I do. Thank you. Hola, Tisha. I love your feed from Miguel Amayo. Thank you, sir, for always supporting me. I'm always seeing you on my live. Thank you so much. Even since before. So very supportive. Mr. Miguel Amayo. Thank you. Live ako. Oy, bahala mo lang tao. Bahala kayo dyan. I'm about to speak naman eh. Flowers. Minsan may akong buhok ko eh. Shahid. Hello, Shahid Sheikh. Hello to you. Ti amo Tisha from Miguel Amayo. Ti amo mi amor. Is it correct? Ti amo, it means I love you, right? I'm good. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Oh my goodness, it's 9:49. Ti amo means I love you. Yes, I remember that. I love you. I love you. Please say you love me too. The words that can change our lives forever. And I promise you we will always be together till the end of time. Touch, touch, touch the subject, touch, by touch. You're my all-time lover. Is it a song? It's a song. Touch by touch. Touch by touch. You're my all-time lover.